So, hindi ko birthday ngayon. Pero feeling ko birthday ko ngayon. Kayo rin ba? May ganun di ba kayong feeling? So, ayan. Kaya nag-red ako ngayon kasi nga, feeling ko birthday ko today. Pero hindi talaga. May ganun di ba kayong feeling? O ako lang talaga yung ganun?
Nilikhang mga tao, nilikhang mga tao, nilikhang mga tao.
Sandal mo sa...
Totoong nonoy.
Next in line pa ba ako?
Hindi na yung next in line. Diba sabi ko kanina, feeling ko birthday ko, pero hindi ko pa naman talaga birthday. Sinurprise nila ako. Kinantahan nila ako ng happy birthday with a cake. So, thank you so much sa aking theater family. And ngayon ay gabi na. Sasalubungin namin yung birthday ko sa favorite restaurant namin ni Brightly with my friends. And hopefully, makapag-vlog ako at di ko malimutan.
Why you're not wearing black?
This is my birthday. Tomorrow.
And loser, we're gonna go shopping.
Pag siya, hindi mo pinag-shop eh.
Alam mo ba yan?
Sa ano? Amin.
Loser, we're gonna go shopping. Alam niya kaya yun?
Ano ba?
Bakla, buksan mo. So, alam mo ba kung saan yung sinabi kong yan? Get in, loser. We're gonna go shopping.
Yeah.
Saan? Huh?
Girls?
Oh!
See?
Now you understand why is it our favorite place. Woohoo! Let's go!
Are you happy?
Yes, it's such a happy place in the Philippines. So, what can you say? Now. Smile, everyone.
Hello, everyone! The root beer talaga yung flow.
Yes, it's originally.
Well, Fury is a well.
Starts now.
Oh, tingnan natin kung gano'n.
Fury is a well.
Tingnan natin kung darating talaga naman bilis yung pagkain.
Photo because I'm a mom.
Is it a theory?
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes! Ito ang tunay na midnight snack. Si Dory ba? Ang Finding Dory ay ang Cream Dory.
No.
How about you, Shen? Usual.
It's not blue.
Naka-confuse siya. Ikaw mo na, P.
No!
Yes, no.
Yes.
Cream Dory is not actually a dory.
Ah.
Cream Dory is a marketing term used in parts of Southeast Asia, including the Philippines. It's a type of freshwater catfish. Kaya naman pala eh, catfish.
Ayaw mo kami.
Let us sing!
Bakit?
Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday!
Oh, okay, maingay.
You're 32, guys.
No, I'm just 31. I'm just 31. No?
Walang pupunta si Kuya.
Hirap naman yung sayo.
Kuya, daya mo. Hindi ka naghahanap. Dito na ba yan? Charot. Makakapag-cake na ba kami? Charot. Ay, dito nga. Thank you so much, filling station. At sa mga pirma. Thank you so much, Elvis. Yan.
Appreciate the greeting.
Sino ba nandito?
Marilyn Monroe, Frank Sinatra. Diba? Nabuhay sila ulit.
Pumirma. Thank you. So, may game kasi kami. Hanapan kami ng mga word or characters. And mine is operator at di nila mahanap. Okay, kaya mo yan. Ano?
Hindi ako nag-ano.
O, sirit na.
Oh, sige.
The operator is here. Sabi ko. Gusto ko yung tinutur ko kayo. Tinutur ko. Pahangin nga po.
Sige po, pila na lang po tayo doon.
Hangin na kita. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Is that TikTok?
Yes.
What trend is that?
It's girlfriend trend.
I got pissed real bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's she downstairs?
Dito ako, Ben. Yes, Ben. Yes, Ben.
Yung mukha ko kanina. Ano sabi niya?
Oo. Bel, ito naman yung POV ni Bel kanina. Hanapan. POV ni...
Wag ka take a pic.
Nakabutan natin yan. Yung mga di sinuli sa Video City.
Feeling ko pag ganun tayo.
Ganda pala sa Vegas.
Pag ganun.
Sa Vegas.
Kent,
Yes,
para pag may gusto sumama sa yung babae.
makulas pa ako.
Baka si Av na to.
My first time here, I'm gonna walk around.
I'm scared. Basta! Yay! Thank you, love! Ah, cake and... Here galing flowers. Ba't di may naabot? Thank you! Makasigaw lang. Thank you! Thank you po!
So, nawala yung cellphone ko. So, hindi ako matawa.
Oh, thank you! You have a gift pala. Thank you! No! Good luck sa magigising na maaga.
Bye! Happy birthday!
So cute!
What's that? Is that your gift? Thank you so much! What's that?
I don't know, I think it's a television. Because we have a small television. Come on, open it! Oh my god, I'm so
Ano yan?
excited!
Kabuhayan showcase. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kung ano man to. Parang frame.
Oh my god!
What's that? Thank you so much. Paano ko ito bubuksan? Dryer. It's baliktad. It's baliktad. You have to flip it over. Hey, babies! Kailangan ko i-assemble to. Thank you! Pa-exercise! Yung sinabi niya sa akin. Thank you, Direk! This is from Shell and Bell. Coco! Happy birthday! I hope you fat many dogs today. Wow! Thank you, Label. May hula na ako kung ano to. For sure, inuminan to. Si Belle yata ay advocate ng ano, drink your water, bitch. Uy, may card din si Rachel Venus. Thank you. Aww. This is a card from Rachel. And sabi niya, happy birthday, Siggy. Making this letter so we can have something to look back 20 years later. Oh, kasi si Belle, marami akong letters na natabi niya. Tapos yun yung tinigil namin dun sa last vlog. And then Rachel made me one. I love growing. Hindi ko na mabasahin kasi nahirapan ako basahin. I love growing up and growing old with you. Let's create more memories before tayo mag-retire habang tumatambay kayo sa bibingkinitan at ako sa Subic. Too many more years of endless highlights and learnings. I love you, Shell. Thank you, Shell. Love you too. This is from Belle. Happy birthday, best. Cool. Matcha latte. Theater. Podcast. Cool. Oh my gosh. Baka hindi ko na siya basahin kasi nahirapan niya akong basahin. Okay. Hindi man ito kasing effort ng mga love letters mo. Hindi man ito kasing effort ng mga love letters mo. Sana noong high school tayo, may pampay na, oh shit, hindi ko maintindihan. Okay. Hindi man ito kasing effort ng mga love letters mo. Sa kin, noong high school tayo, may patunay na but I still wanna keep this tradition of writing you something for you. I love you, best. I am so happy and grateful that we are still in each other's lives after all these years. I will never get tired of childhood memories together, from food to songs to crushes, and extra grateful that we get to hindi ko talaga mabasa. Bel, ano to? Pakitranslate, sorry.
Riley and Big Red, two sisters vlogging their hearts out.